This is the magical floating card trick. Take a look. I've got two cards here, and let's get one of them to stick to the other. How about it? Let's see this jack. Oh my goodness, it's feeling pretty sticky. Let's see what happens. Wow. Completely stuck. And now, I'm going to take this spike, put it right on the card, and let's see. And then, this is the floating card trick explanation. Basically, it uses this card here that has 3 hidden wires. There's little strings here attached to the card. So when I do this, I curve the card down, the strings lift up. So to make one card stick to the other, I slightly bend the cards and I place this card right under the wires so that when you flip them over, it sticks. You can't see the invisible thread. To unstick them, I slide the card out and I put it down. To make an object float on the back of this magic card, you put the object right in the middle of the wires, and again, you bend slightly, and you can't see the hidden wires, but it sure looks like it's floating. You slowly unbend the cards, which will bring the object back down. And that is the floating card trick. This is the magical mind-reading cards. I would like you to take a look at these cards. Can you see them? Now, what I would like you to do is think about one of the cards. Think about what card it is and the suit it is. Got it? Do you have that in your mind? All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read your mind and figure out which card that would be, and all of a sudden make it disappear. Now, do you still see that same card? I don't know. If you do still see your card, I'm thinking it's the Jack of Hearts. But if you don't see your card, poof, it has vanished. The magical mind-reading cards explanation. So, I do have 5 cards here in my hand, and other than the Jack of Hearts, take a look. All the other cards have 2 different suits on each side. There's the clubs on this side, spades on that side, hearts, diamonds, spades, clubs, diamonds, and hearts. So, when you set the cards up like this, and the Jack of Hearts is in the front, no matter which card you think of, it's going to disappear when I turn the cards over and fan them out this way. Now, if you noticed in the explanation, or when I was doing the magic trick, I asked if your card chosen was the Jack of Hearts. It is still there, isn't it? Now, when you ask them, is your card still there? And if they say yes, you definitely know it's the Jack of Hearts. Otherwise, their card has actually disappeared. And that's a great trick.